If TeamViewer suddenly says commercial use detected, your remote sessions may start disconnecting after just a few minutes. Yeah, this can happen even if you're only using it for personal use. So in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the issue and restore normal connections. First, make sure you're actually using the free personal version of TeamViewer. The free license is only meant for personal, non-business use, like helping friends or accessing your own computer at home. If the system thinks you're using it for business, it may automatically limit your sessions. One quick workaround is resetting your TeamViewer ID. Sometimes the ID becomes flagged by their system after connecting to multiple devices or networks. Reinstalling TeamViewer can generate a new ID and remove the restriction. The official fix is submitting a reset request to TeamViewer support. They provide a form where you can confirm that you're using the software only for personal use. Once approved, your connection limits are usually removed. After submitting the request, you'll usually receive a confirmation email. The review process can take a few days, and once approved, your TeamViewer ID should return to normal personal use status. To prevent the message from appearing again, try avoiding certain patterns that look like commercial usage. For example, connecting to many different devices, accessing office networks frequently, or using TeamViewer for long business sessions. And that's it. Those steps usually fix the TeamViewer commercial use detected warning and restore your normal remote sessions. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech fixes.